everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect and pair your Kurdene headset or earbuds to your Samsung phone. Very easy to do. We can swipe down from the top, go to settings right here, and then go to connections or Bluetooth. So here's Bluetooth. Let's select Bluetooth. Now we can just remove them from the case and it'll automatically put them into the Bluetooth pairing mode. There should be a light flashing on them. And scrolling down to the bottom, and here's the SP9i, my Kurdene headset. It's not labeled Kurdene. Let's go to OK. Now it should be connected and paired on the top. And I can use this for calls and stuff. So I can select it and go to unpair if I want to bring this to a new device easy. And then you should be good to go listening to your music or podcast or wherever on your phone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.